Yo, what's good? Guru Street fam. Welcome to Guru Street English, where we level up your English with the GTA San Andreas fight. Today, we're hitting Los Santos for speaking practice and 5 diverse slang phrases to sound native. Whether you're chilling with your homies or talking online, we've got you. Smash the like button and let's roll. Picture this, CJ's back in Los Santos and the streets are alive. To sound native, you gotta speak smooth. We're dropping 5 slang phrases for speaking practice. Ready to own the convo? Let's get it. Try each phrase with me. What's good? CJ checking in with the crew, asking, what's popping on Grove Street? Say it, what's good? It means what's happening or how are you? A casual greeting. At school, you'd say, hey, what's good? Got plans tonight? On a call, what's good, bro? You were still coming over? At a cafe, what's good here? Any hot deals today? Use what's good to kick off a chill convo. Like it? Hit the like. On point. CJ's ride is clean, looking prepared for the Los Santos streets. Repeat, on point. It means perfect or exactly right. At work, your presentation was on point, dude. With friends, that outfit's on point for a party. Online, your post about travel tips was on point. Nice. Drop on point when something's spot on. Subscribe for more. I'm down. CJ's ready to join the homies for Los Santos mission. Say it, I'm down. You got this. It means I agree or I'm ready to participate. With friends, wanna get a pizza? I'm down. At a meetup, I'm down to help with the event. On a trip, a hike sounds fun. I'm down. Solid. Because I'm down to join the vibe. Comment your favorites below. Hold up. CJ's pausing the crew to rethink your risky Los Santos plan. Repeat, hold up. Try it. It means wait or stop for a moment. On a call, hold up. I need to grab my keys. In a chat, hold up. Did you just say Friday? At a store, hold up. Is this on sale or not? That's it. Use hold up to slow things down. Stay tuned, fam. Kill it. CJ's crushing the race, dominating Los Santos style. Say it, kill it. Let's go. It means do something extremely well. After a game, you kill it out there, bro. At work, she killed it with that sales pitch. Online, your dance video killed on TikTok. You're killing it. Use this to hype a great job. Mission complete, Go Street fam. You've mastered 5 slang phrases to sound native. What's good? On point. I'm down. Hold on and kill it. Practice this to own any combo. Check our banger. Learn English with GTA, CJ's Epic Heist in Los Santos for more slang. Link below. Love this? Smash the like. Subscribe for more GTA English lessons and comment your favorite phrase. What's next in Los Santos? Drop your ideas. Catch you on the streets, fam.